Hi and welcome to the new AI Video Cut tutorial on how to use custom prompts. If you want to take full control over how your content gets clipped, custom prompts in AI Video Cut let you do exactly that. Here is how it works. When you upload your video, AI turns your entire audio into a block of text, and that's what it analyzes. So think of your custom prompt as a smart search through that transcript. Start by inserting the YouTube link or uploading the file from your computer and clicking Submit. Then wait for your video to process and click Custom to start typing in your prompt. So let's see how to write the custom prompt correctly. Start your prompt like this. Extract 5 quotes, or you can choose any number of quotes, for example 7, or for example 10, let it be 10. And then you choose the topic, word or key moment. For example, extract 10 quotes about creating beats, in the case with this video. Or let's say extract 10 quotes with the word beat. You don't have to be very specific, you can also type in key moments. You can also add simple instructions like don't repeat the quotes, or you can get creative with role-based prompts, like in this case act as a music industry professional, for instance. Or you can say act as a storyteller and extract 6 quotes that build a narrative, or just wherever fits your video best. You can always check out our best practices for prompting if you need more examples. After that, you can choose the aspect ratio for your social media, turn the captions on and off, and choose from the variety of the offered styles. And after that you click Submit. Wait for your video to process and then check out your result. Custom prompts give you the power to decide what your audience sees and have more control over your short videos. Try it out today and get the clips you want. Thanks for watching and see you at AI Video Cut.